Dating advice is a dime a dozen, but it's worth a whole lot more when it's backed by science. That's why it's so exciting that social psychologists have finally gotten to the bottom of an age-old dating question, whether playing hard to get actually sends desire soaring, or puts potential partners off. There's good reason to play it cool with your crush. By introducing an element of uncertainty, and upping your perceived mate value, you're more likely to be desired and pursued when you play hard to get. Now what you're going to look at are 3 different strategies to get results. First, let's analyze online dating profiles to determine if people were more drawn to those that were considered harder to get or easier to attract. We found that people were often drawn to the more selective profiles. In the subsequent 2 tests, we coded different conversations to determine whether playing hard to get increased feelings of desire, and found that when the conversations included disagreement and resolution, rather than enthusiastic agreement up front, the test subjects were more invested in the other person. Because their validation was hard-won, they tended to value it more highly. Those individuals were more likely to end the conversation by expressing romantic interest or seeking more time together, and rated their potential partners as more attractive than the control group. People who are too easy to attract may be perceived as more desperate. That makes them seem less valuable and appealing than those who do not make their romantic interest apparent right away. But before you leave your potential partner on read, be aware that this method can also go awry. If playing hard to get makes you seem disinterested or arrogant, it will backfire. So, instead of playing relationship games, or letting your dating life devolve into a series of unhealthy power plays, view the findings as a new way to pace your relationships. Focus on building a gradual connection with the other person, where there's room to grow, and new things to learn about one another over time. This genuine attempt to connect, paired with a sense of anticipation and mystery, should go a long way in building both desire and long-term compatibility. A mix of slight uncertainty to your character is an attractive guy women are looking at. I will be coming up with another video dedicated on how to be uncertain with women. Until then, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.